Number 14. The Tsushi Vigas pedal car represents a modern evolution of human-powered mobility, combining the practicality of a bicycle with the comfort and protection of a compact car. Designed by the innovative company Tsushi, this pedal-powered vehicle features an enclosed cabin that shields riders from weather while maintaining a sleek, futuristic appearance. At its core is a pedal-electric hybrid system that allows users to generate power through pedaling while receiving electric assistance for a smoother and less strenuous ride, making it ideal for daily commuting in urban environments. The Vigas is equipped with a stable multi-wheel platform, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls that enhance both comfort and safety, while its compact footprint ensures easy navigation through congested city streets. With a focus on sustainability, efficiency, and user-friendly design, the Vigas highlights how next-generation pedal cars can offer a practical alternative to traditional vehicles, blending eco-conscious engineering with modern urban mobility needs. Number 13. The Smart Number 2 represents a bold step forward in compact electric mobility, combining futuristic design with advanced technology to redefine what a small urban vehicle can offer. Developed by Smart, the Smart Number 2 is envisioned as a sleek, city-focused electric car with a strong emphasis on sustainability and digital innovation. Its design features smooth, aerodynamic lines, a spacious yet minimalist interior, and a fully electric powertrain that delivers efficient, quiet performance ideal for daily commuting. Inside, the vehicle is expected to offer a high-tech cabin with large digital displays, smart connectivity, and intuitive controls that enhance the driving experience. Advanced safety systems, driver assistance features, and a focus on comfort make it both practical and forward-thinking. With its compact size, eco-friendly approach, and modern styling, the Smart Number 2 highlights the future direction of urban transportation, where efficiency, intelligence, and sustainability come together in a seamless driving experience. Number 12. The Jaunt Electric Moke is a stylish reimagining of a classic open-air vehicle, blending retro charm with modern electric performance to create a unique and eco-friendly driving experience. Inspired by the iconic Mini Moke, this electric version developed by Jaunt Motors retains the timeless, minimalist design while integrating a fully electric powertrain for smooth, quiet operation. The vehicle features a lightweight yet durable body, open sides, and a simple, functional layout that makes it perfect for coastal cruising, resorts, and relaxed urban travel. Its electric motor delivers instant torque for effortless acceleration, while the battery system provides a practical range suitable for short daily trips. With comfortable seating, modern safety upgrades, and a focus on sustainability, the Jaunt Electric Moke stands out as a fun, versatile, and environmentally conscious alternative to traditional small vehicles, capturing both nostalgia and innovation in a single design. Number 11. The City Q1200 e-bike car is a forward-thinking blend of a bicycle and a compact car, designed to deliver a practical and eco-friendly solution for urban mobility. Developed by City Q, this innovative four-wheeled vehicle features a fully enclosed cabin that protects riders from weather while maintaining the efficiency of an electric-assisted pedal system. Its standout feature is the powerful pedal-electric drivetrain, which allows users to combine human power with electric assistance for a smooth, energy-efficient ride, capable of carrying multiple passengers or cargo with ease. The City Q1200 is equipped with a stable chassis, comfortable seating, intuitive controls, and integrated lighting and safety features, making it suitable for everyday commuting in busy city environments. With its compact footprint, low environmental impact, and emphasis on comfort and practicality, the City Q1200 e-bike car showcases a new direction in sustainable transport, offering a smart alternative to traditional cars for short-distance travel. Number 10. The Velomobile is a highly efficient and innovative pedal-electric vehicle that merges the aerodynamics of a recumbent bicycle with the practicality of a compact car. Designed by Velomo, the Quadvelo features a fully enclosed, lightweight body that enhances speed and energy efficiency while protecting the rider from weather conditions. Its four-wheel design provides superior stability compared to traditional three-wheeled velomobiles, making it safer and more comfortable for everyday use. The vehicle is powered by a combination of human pedaling and optional electric assistance, allowing for longer journeys with less physical strain. Inside, it offers an ergonomic recumbent seating position, ample storage space, and intuitive steering controls, all tailored for urban commuting and longer rides alike. With its focus on sustainability, aerodynamic performance, and rider comfort, the Velomobile represents a cutting-edge approach to personal transportation, offering a compelling alternative to conventional vehicles in crowded city environments. Number 9. The BOB e-bike car is a compact and futuristic take on urban transportation, designed to combine the agility of a bicycle with the practicality of a small car. Built for efficiency and convenience, BOB features a lightweight frame and an enclosed or semi-enclosed structure that enhances rider comfort while offering protection from everyday elements. Its pedal-electric hybrid system allows users to generate power through pedaling while benefiting from electric assistance, making travel smoother and less physically demanding, especially in city environments. The vehicle is engineered with a stable multi-wheel configuration, ergonomic seating, and user-friendly controls that make it accessible to a wide range of riders. With its minimal footprint, low energy consumption, and eco-friendly design, BOB presents a smart solution for modern commuting, reflecting the growing shift towards sustainable, space-saving mobility options in increasingly crowded urban areas. Number 8. The Duo Moke is a modern reinterpretation of the classic open-air utility vehicle, blending vintage-inspired styling with contemporary electric mobility. Drawing influence from the iconic Mini Moke, this compact vehicle features a minimalist, doorless design that emphasizes simplicity, freedom, and ease of use, making it ideal for leisure driving, resort environments, and short urban trips. Powered by an electric drivetrain, the Duo Moke delivers smooth and quiet performance with instant torque, while its compact size ensures excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. The vehicle typically includes comfortable bench-style seating, a durable yet lightweight frame, and modern essentials such as improved suspension, lighting, and safety enhancements. With its retro charm, eco-friendly operation, and practical design, the Duo Moke stands out as a fun and stylish alternative to conventional small vehicles. Number 7. The Rhodes Car 4W2 PCP Coupe is a distinctive human-electric hybrid vehicle that combines the familiar feel of cycling with the structure and stability of a small car. Developed by Rhodes Car, this four-wheeled coupe is designed with a side-by-side seating arrangement, allowing two riders to pedal together while benefiting from optional electric assist for a smoother and more efficient ride. Its sturdy frame, upright seating position, and simple steering system provide a comfortable and user-friendly driving experience, while the open yet partially enclosed design offers a balance between visibility and protection. The vehicle also features practical elements such as cargo space, safety lighting, and durable components suited for both recreational use and light commuting. With its blend of pedal power, electric support, and car-like stability, the Rhodes Car 4W2 PCP Coupe presents a unique and eco-conscious approach to personal transportation, ideal for those seeking a fun yet functional alternative to traditional vehicles. Number 6. The Podbike Fricker is an innovative four-wheeled electric-assisted pedal vehicle designed to combine the efficiency of cycling with the comfort and protection of a small car. Developed by Podbike, the Fricker features a fully enclosed aerodynamic body that shields the rider from weather conditions while still allowing the natural motion of pedaling to power the vehicle. Its pedal-electric drivetrain provides smooth assistance, making longer journeys and uphill travel significantly easier without sacrificing energy efficiency. Inside, the Fricker offers a recumbent seating position that enhances comfort and reduces strain, along with intuitive controls, good cargo space, and a stable quad-wheel configuration for added safety. The design prioritizes sustainability, using lightweight materials and energy-efficient systems to reduce environmental impact while maintaining practical usability for daily commuting. With its futuristic styling and smart hybrid propulsion, the Podbike Fricker represents a refined step forward in eco-friendly urban transportation. Number 6. The Podbike Fricker is an innovative four-wheeled electric-assisted pedal vehicle designed to combine the efficiency of cycling with the comfort and protection of a small car. Developed by Podbike, the Fricker features a fully enclosed aerodynamic body that shields the rider from weather conditions while still allowing the natural motion of pedaling to power the vehicle. Its pedal-electric drivetrain provides smooth assistance, making longer journeys and uphill travel significantly easier without sacrificing energy efficiency. Inside, the Fricker offers a recumbent seating position that enhances comfort and reduces strain, along with intuitive controls, good cargo space, and a stable quad-wheel configuration for added safety. The design prioritizes sustainability, using lightweight materials and energy-efficient systems to reduce environmental impact while maintaining practical usability for daily commuting. With its futuristic styling and smart hybrid propulsion, the Podbike Fricker represents a refined step forward in eco-friendly urban transportation. Number 4. The ONO e-Cargo Bike is a practical and innovative urban transport solution designed to replace short-distance car trips with a more sustainable and efficient alternative. Developed by Ono Motion, this vehicle blends the agility of a bicycle with the carrying capacity of a compact delivery van, making it especially useful for logistics, last-mile delivery, and city commuting. Its fully enclosed cabin provides protection from weather while maintaining excellent visibility, and the low-step design allows easy entry and exit for riders. The electric assist drivetrain delivers smooth acceleration and reduces physical effort, even when carrying heavy cargo loads, while the stable three-wheel structure ensures balance and safety in dense urban traffic. Inside, the ONO e-Cargo bike offers ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and modular cargo space that can be adapted for parcels or goods. With its zero-emission operation and focus on efficiency, it represents a forward-thinking approach to urban mobility, helping reduce congestion and pollution in modern cities. Number 3. The Twike 5 is a highly advanced human-electric hybrid vehicle that combines the efficiency of cycling with the comfort and protection of a small electric car. Developed by Twike, the Twike 5 features a lightweight aerodynamic body and a fully enclosed cockpit that shields occupants from weather while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. It is powered by a unique combination of pedal input and electric drive, allowing the rider to actively contribute to propulsion or rely more heavily on electric assistance depending on conditions and preference. The vehicle offers a tandem seating layout, ergonomic recumbent seating position, and intuitive joystick-style controls, creating a futuristic and engaging driving experience. With strong acceleration for its size, impressive range for daily commuting, and regenerative energy systems, the Twike 5 stands out as one of the most sophisticated pedal-electric vehicles available. Its focus on sustainability, performance, and human-powered interaction makes it a forward-thinking solution for efficient urban and intercity travel. Number 2. The Acticycle is a modern pedal-assisted micromobility vehicle designed to combine the simplicity of cycling with the comfort and stability of a small, enclosed transport pod. Built around a lightweight quad-wheel platform, it offers enhanced balance compared to traditional bicycles while still maintaining the efficiency and eco-friendly nature of human-powered travel. The Acticycle typically features a partially or fully enclosed cabin that protects riders from wind and weather, making it more practical for daily commuting in different climates. Its pedal-electric hybrid system allows the rider to contribute physical effort while an integrated electric motor provides smooth assistance, especially useful on longer routes or uphill terrain. Inside, it focuses on ergonomic seating, easy-to-use controls, and a compact yet functional layout that can accommodate a rider and small cargo. With its emphasis on sustainability, low operating cost, and urban practicality, the Acticycle represents a forward-looking approach to personal transportation that bridges the gap between bicycles and small electric cars. Number 1. The Velomobiles is a futuristic personal transport design that blends the efficiency of a bicycle with the comfort and protection of a compact, enclosed vehicle. Built around a streamlined Velomobile-style body, it focuses on reducing air resistance while improving rider comfort through an aerodynamic shell and a stable multi-wheel platform. The vehicle is typically designed with a pedal-electric hybrid system, allowing the rider to actively pedal while receiving smooth electric assistance, making it suitable for longer commutes without excessive physical strain. Its enclosed cabin provides protection from weather conditions, enhancing usability in both urban and suburban environments, while also improving safety and ride stability. Inside, the layout emphasizes ergonomic seating, simple controls, and efficient space usage, often with small cargo capacity for daily essentials. With its strong focus on sustainability, low energy consumption, and practical mobility, the Velomobiles concept represents a modern step toward eco-friendly transportation that sits between traditional bicycles and small electric cars.